After listening to the story, work in pairs and discuss the advantages and disadvantages of traveling abroad. You may use the hints given in the box for your understanding. The advantages are earn more money, social status, more opportunities. Disadvantages cut off from your roots, living away from parents, brain drain, intellectual loss. Now, lesson C. I will do it. Glossary. Mandap, a raised platform. D-Day, a date on which something important is expected to happen. From the name given to June 6, 1944, the day on which the US, British, and other armies landed on the beaches of northern France in the Second World War. Icon, a famous person or thing that people admire and see as a symbol of a particular idea or way of life, etc. Philanthropist, one who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind. Now, given below are some sentences from the lesson. Now, what do they tell us about Narayana Murthy's qualities? Use the adjectives given in the box that describe Murthy's character. You may also use some more adjectives you like. Now, the words are bright, shy, introvert, hardworking, simple, uncompromising, philosopher, encouraging. Now, the sentences from the lesson. And his seniors used to ask him to solve their difficulties in science. Bright. He was a guide for others. Philosopher. While others struggled to solve the problems in the question papers, he would smile shyly and solve them in no time. Shy. His principle was never to hurt anyone. Simple. He did not reply. He never shared his unhappiness or helplessness with anybody. Introvert. He went to station to say goodbye and good luck to them for their future life. Encouraging. He never used to use the help of any caste, community, or political connections to go up in life. Uncompromising. He never used to help any caste, community, or political connections to go up in life. Hardworking. The last one is he built a team of people who were equally good. That is hardworking. Now, vocabulary. One word, substitutes. Now look at the underlined words in the following sentences from the lesson. Today he has become an icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality and fairness, apart from being a philanthropist. He became a pioneer of India's software industry and started the information technology wave. What is the meaning of a philanthropist? A philanthropist is one who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind. Who is a pioneer? Pioneer is a person who is the first to study and develop a particular area of knowledge, culture, etc. that other people then continue to develop. You have observed that the meaning of a group of words is substituted with a word as in sentences 1 and 2. Now, words which replace a group of words are a full sentence effectively without creating any kind of ambiguity in the meaning of the sentences are called one-word substitutes. The main purpose of using one-word substitutes is to express the idea precisely and accurately. Now, some more one-word substitutes. Fatalist, a person who believes in fate. Centenarian, a person who is above 100 years. Omnipresent, one who is present everywhere. Mercenary, a person who can do anything for money. Misogynist, one who hates women. Monogamy, a practice of having one wife or husband. Autobiography, a life history written by oneself. Biography, a life history written by somebody else. Honorary, a position for which no salary is paid. Ambiguous, a sentence whose meaning is unclear. Imitable, that which cannot be imitated. Theist, one who believes in God. Spendthrift, one who spends too much. Teetotaler, one who abstains from alcohol. Now find the most appropriate one-word substitute for the following. A person or a thing that cannot be corrected. The options are unintelligible, indelible, illegible, incorrigible. The answer is incorrigible. Second one. A person of good understanding, knowledge and reasoning power. The options are expert, intellectual, snob, literator. The answer is intellectual. Third one. A person who knows many languages. Linguist, grammarian, polyglot, bilingual. And the answer is polyglot. Next one. One who possesses many talents. Versatile, prodigy, exceptional, gifted. The answer is prodigy. Words inscribed on a tome. Epitome, epistle, epilogue, epitaph. The answer is epitaph. Now here's the project. You have read about Nick Vujicic, who has accomplished every seemingly impossible thing in life despite having the most difficult form of disability. You have read about Narayana Murthy, who is one of the most remarkable examples to win over the unbeatable difficulties. You may also have heard or read about some remarkable Indian women such as Sudha Murthy, Sudha Chandran, Kiran Bedi, and many other women who have crossed all the hurdles to become successful. Now you have to work in pairs and collect information about the women who you think have excelled in their lives, though they may not have come into limelight. Now you have to read articles in newspapers, magazines, books or biographies, autobiographies, etc. Browse internet and watch TV reports on women. And then first put the project in the columns. Serial number, name of the woman, details, example, birth, childhood, education, etc. Challenges they faced, disabilities they have or had, and remarkable achievements. Now the qualities that inspired